Welcome to the 19th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at how people are represented and a case study to show this. The council is a group of people who are elected to look after the affairs of a town, district or county. A manifesto is a published statement of the aims and policies of a political party. A polling station is a place where votes are cast. Often a school, library or village hall. A ward is an area that forms a separate part of a local council. A political party is an organized group of people with common aims who put up candidates for elections. In 2017, local people in Gorton campaigned for an area to be created for young people to go, hang out and learn new skills. They went to the council with their idea, and after lots of discussions, fundraising and planning, their idea came to life. The Hideout is a place where young people can meet new friends, play football, use a recording studio, learn how to cook, use the gym and indoor climbing wall, go to the arts and craft room, or use the health and well-being room. The local council is made up of local people who make decisions about local services. These councillors represent different parts of the town, called wards, and are chosen by the people who live in those wards. Local elections take place every 4 years. Political parties put forward candidates for people to choose between. Each party will have a list of plans they will put into practice if they win enough seats on the council, which is called a manifesto. Sometimes there is a long list of people to choose from at an election. Some will represent the well-known political parties, such as Labour or the Conservatives, and others will represent smaller groups, like the Green Party, or independent candidates. Most councils are a mix of councillors from different political parties, and the party with the most councillors takes overall control. People who are over 18 can vote for who they want to represent them in the council. They usually go to the local polling station to make their vote. Their vote is secret, so they don't have to tell anyone who they voted for. In the exam you might be asked to explain how councils can help the local people.
We go together like ram ram ram, ding 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 dong. Remember forever as you